the video. Okay, so this is gonna be a hair tutorial mixed with a review of my FAUX. Okay, so let's just, okay, so my background is very nasty. Don't judge. My iron board, bag. Good, normally I have bras thrown over there, so I'm just checking. Ain't no bras, so let's do this. Okay, oh, my mom, calm down, little. So I think I'm gonna do this here. Shake it. I'm such an what's the word? Just smooth hair tutorialer. Let me feel like this lean. Oh my mirror. Jesus Christ, this feels tight. Oh, it's my mirror now. Ooh, this feels really tight. Alright, so that's that. Then I'm gonna, so you can wear it like this, you know. I mean, simple, some nice hoops. Let me just take some pictures. Okay. Whew. Oh, and this is just a piece of string. You know, you buy like some jackets and they have like these things that I tie with the jacket. This is just what this string is. It was really long and I put it in half because I like when these, it's just what I chose to do. I feel like I'm going to try to explain myself and can't explain myself thoroughly. With a grateful heart. So if somebody here drop out like these two here, that's fine. I'm gonna use this to tie this. To tie this here. Like that. Alright. Then I'm going to do this. Alright. Right, put that on top like that. And then put that on top like this. And then use these two again and tie it up to kind of secure it. Right? Oh my gosh. I think I need to get a rug for my makeup room. Because I don't know if this is going to work. To stick these in here. Then I'm going to grab another piece of string that I found. And I'm going to, I don't know, I just don't want this to fall out. So I'm trying to secure it as best as possible. I'm going to bring this first piece I tied around. Oh, that looks cute. Alright, so what this we're gonna push him up under here, so. And this we're gonna push him up under this, so. Yeah. Right, not bad. Not bad at all. So now these loose pieces though, let's see if we can tie these loose pieces in here. Let's see if I can do a little string up. I want some of these though to, oh shit, that was tight. Oof. I want some of these to fall. Alright. But I like this. This is nice and cute. Hold on, this more. One more drop in my eye. Yeah. Take out some more. I can drop down so. With this Jehovah Jireh. You know what I'm saying? Gospel will bring down a bongo town. Alright, so here goes the review section of this video for this hair. I'm actually wearing FAUX and they were done here in Jamaica by Natural Glam by Toya. She's on Instagram. And she's Jamaican. There's hair stuck in, or a synthetic fiber stuck in my mouth. Okay. And I don't like when anything is synthetic, you know, that's, in my mouth. Okay, so yeah, so this is the FAUX. I am completely in love. She does not know that I'm making a video. I did not tell her I was making a video, and yes, I paid for my hair, and I'm telling you, worth every penny. Her prices are extremely affordable. I love, I'm just sticking this in, I love what she did. Yo, I'm gonna tell you, say, when I was away, because I did my hair to go away, because I had my classes in Tamarack, Florida, hands-on classes, LyricRochester.com. Anyway, you guys, everybody who I encountered love my hair. I mean, everybody, male, female, I mean, everybody loved my hair, and I can completely understand, because first of all, it looks real, and a couple of people are like, is that your real hair? And I was like, nope, not my real hair, it's FAUX. And then there's a girl, I was in Ross, and a girl, I think I just walked past her, and I think I said hi or something, and she goes, oh my god, I love your hair. I'm like, thanks, it's FAUX. She's like, I don't care, it looks so good. I'm like, whoa, thank you. So I mean, safe to say, I will be doing this style again, but I want to experiment with other colors. I want to do probably a burgundy, or probably do these again, but I want these to be asshole length. I want mine to be asshole length. It's just what I want. Or if it's not going to be that long, then I want them to be shorter, and I want them to be thick, but I don't know if I can rock that. I don't know how I'm going to do that. You know, I have it short and thick. I don't know how I'm going to do that. I'm not accustomed to anything short. Girl, these innuendos, what are you doing? You're a Christian, stop it. So I love my hair. When it, of course, has weight to it, but it's not too heavy. It's probably, I don't know, how heavy is a pound or 2 pounds? It's probably as heavy as this, I don't know, probably a pound, 2 pounds. I really do not know. I'm accustomed to it. I sleep in my bonnet sometimes from Isaac and NFA. I sleep with it up sometimes, and sometimes I sleep with it down. Most times I sleep with it down if it's not too hot, but if it's too hot, then I'll throw a bonnet on, or I'm gonna just sketch up my ear, and I want to look at this sketch up, maybe just sketch it up if it's too hot. No, I'm gonna put on one more of this. Yeah, so what I love about this style as well is just how ethnic it looks. It looks like so tribal. It's like a whole different aesthetic whenever I'm wearing this. Like, I want to get a huge ass septum ring, like the big thick ones that fall down. Like, this is giving me that vibe, you know, and I love it. You know, I have some hair reviews that I have to get up. I have some hair reviews that I have to do, which is why I'm doing this review. I'm sort of saying, yo, natural glam by Toya, aka she's naturally Miss Toya here on YouTube. Yo, mama, you did the darn thing, and I would definitely be coming back to you. I think we'll leave again soon, and I would really want to do these, and they're so low maintenance. And guess what, you guys, I even washed it. Yes, I washed it, and it dried. I don't know if it dried quickly or not, but it kind of drip dry, and it wasn't cumbersome to have it dry. You know what I mean? I love this so much. It is so versatile. There's so much you can do with it. I mean, the style in and of itself, it's quite on trend. I'm sorry for saying that locks are trending, but it's quite on trend at the moment. I love it. I love it so much. I would definitely do this. Now the thing is, with these you can take it out and reuse, but my aunt said, Mr. Taya, oh, you take it out, and she told me, but I don't think I understand what she's saying. So it's going to take me a while to see where I should unwrap or whatever, and she can't come back to where I am because I'm in Portmore and she's in, I think, St. Mary or Manchester. Is that she's in an M word? I don't know, but I really hope she's seen this video, you guys. If you're subscribed to her, please tell her that I did a review video and lead her to this video. And if you're not subscribed to her, what are you doing? My blood cleansed. Wait there. Oh, I'm just tighten one, but it's tight bad. Right, so if you're not subscribed to her, what are you doing? It's Naturally Miss Toya here on YouTube. She's a makeup artist, she's a hairstylist as well. She's a braider. She is talented, multi-talented, multifaceted, and those are my girls. I love my girls so much. I saw her stuff on her Instagram and I was like, yeah, that's a woman. more on butthole length. So if I'm gonna get the butthole length the next time, then I definitely get the short one. And it's a bit thick and them want the wire so up in that come to the wire up in other people things. So yeah, and I don't know if I'm going to go black or I really want to go back blonde because I'm loving this blonde on me. Yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Again, I love my faux locks. They look extremely natural. I don't know if this is her technique specifically, but I've never seen faux locks look like this. People kept on thinking this was my real hair. That's saying a lot. So yeah, that's it for this video because I'm literally rushing over the door just stopped to do this review, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.